Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trey with TRAE First Class Productions. If you are new to my content, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and join the team. If this isn't your first time, welcome back and thank you for your support. So I know you guys probably been wondering where I've been. No? Well, since you asked, for the past month or so, I've been working on a project for you guys. This project I feel is going to help a lot of photographers and maybe even videographers that are either just starting out or looking for a new playing field or ways to scale their photography business. So what I did was I packaged up all the information, the tips, tricks, and education that I've used for the past 7 years that helped me get to where I am today. And I put it into my new ebook, 5 Steps to Starting a 6-Figure Photography Business. 5 steps that if you follow these steps and apply them consistently, you'll be on your way to building your 6-figure photography business. Starting on September 5th, I'm gonna be doing a 7-day camera to cash marathon. That means for 7 days straight, I'm gonna be dropping gems, tricks, and ways that you can start making money with photography. Yes, 7 days. At the end of the 7 days, if you've been following the marathon, subscribe to the channel, pre-register for the ebook, you will have the opportunity to win a free copy of my ebook, 5 Steps to Starting a 6-Figure Photography Business. Also, on the last day, if you didn't win, the ebook will be available for purchase online. So, I hope you guys are ready. I'm putting together a full week of information for you guys that you can take action on immediately and start applying to your business. Make sure to check back in September 5th for the first camera to cash video of the camera to cash 7-day marathon. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell notification button so that you can get a notification every time I drop a new video. Again, my name is Trey with TRAE First Class Productions, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Deuces.